Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. First, open your Shopify application and also make sure that you are logged in. Once you are, from the main home page, tap on the profile picture located at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on Add Store from the list. Click on Create New Store. Now, answer some of the questions that best describes you and tap the Next button after answering your questions. Once you go through all of the questions, it'll take a few seconds to build your store. After you are done, you'll be able to create a new store on Shopify. You can now go ahead and customize your store according to your need. That is how you can easily create a Shopify store within a few seconds. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with the next video. Goodbye till then.